Good morning, scholars. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Students, MSW logo stands for Microsoft Windows Language of Graphics Oriented. It is a programming language developed at MIT Artificial Intelligence. Today we are going to discuss about logo. When you want to start MSW logo, you have to follow some steps. You have to click on the start button, then click on the Microsoft Windows logo folder, and after that click on the Microsoft Windows logo option. Then this type of logo screen it will appear on your computer. On the top main screen it is there. In the center of the screen one triangle is there. This is known as turtle. The upper portion of the turtle it is known as its head, and downward portion it is known as turtle's tail. The center of the screen it is called the home for the turtle. Now I am telling you how you can create a new drawing in the MSW logo. Go to file menu, click on new option if you want to create a new drawing in the MSW logo. In the center, the turtle which you can see, it is used for making drawings on the screen. Now just have a look in this screen. Downward one program it has been written in MSW logo, and in the upper screen which is called main screen, in that you can see the picture drawn by the logo. Now we have to save this program. How it is to be saved? See the steps. Go to bitmap menu, choose save as option from it. Once you will click on save as option, then it will ask you to save this file with a name. So then by using save as command you can save it. There are some commands which are used in logo for creating programs. These instructions are called commands or primitives. Logo primitives are also called logo commands. Now first of all we will discuss about FD command. FD stands for forward. It will move the turtle forward. For example FD20. It is used to move the turtle forward. Now we will talk about BK command. It stands for back. It is used to move the turtle backwards. BK50. This command it will move the turtle 50 steps back. Now we will discuss about pen down command. It will put down the pen of the current turtle. The turtle will then leave a trace when it moves. Now we will discuss about another command PU, that is pen up. It will lifts the pen of the current turtle. The turtle will not leave a trace when it moves. We will write this command PU in short. PU stands for pen up, and it is used when you have to make drawings in the logo. Now we are going to discuss about another command of logo. Another primitive in logo, its name is RT. RT stands for right. It will turn the turtle to the right. Example is RT90. It will move the turtle 90 steps in the right direction. So whenever you want to move the turtle to the right direction, then you have to use RT primitive in the program. Next logo command, it is LT. It stands for left. It will turn the turtle to the left direction. Example LT90. When you will apply this primitive LT90, it will move the turtle 90 steps left. So students, today you have learned about some basic commands of MSW logo. That's all for today. I hope you have learned all the commands properly. Thank you so much.